Yeah.
I was told to come here.
Yes.
Why?
Because we think you should be here.
Who's we?
Kinajano twakira kukwiye kuburi hano. We nande ngiye na board kubera
Not a shareholder.
ngiye na migabane mfite muri company yanyu kuki mwamamagaye
Really interesting.
uraza gusanga birenze rero mukanya
Well,
byiza
don't you all say hi at once?
mwese se nago twasuzanye
Let's get the meeting started.
reka inama itangire.
I call for an adjournment of this meeting.
iyi nama ngiye nasabaga ko yimurwa ngo iki
Need to read the bylaws, dear.
ugomba rega nawe kugendera ku mategeko.
The board are not here.
abanyamigabane bose nago bari hano sibyo.
This video conferencing shit just
iyi nama rero ngo kundi munyamigabane adari ngo turakoresha video ntago byakunda. hari umuntu udari inama nagire bubi ndetse narwo turi bwemere video barikanze ni iki.
It's a good thing that I'm here.
Ikiza ryari nuko mpari bari bazi ko inama itari bube uyu mukira adahari.
Kilgrave.
Mbese utemeze neza muzi yaje mize neza.
Eastern medicine in Europe.
Imiti yo mu burasirazuba bw'uburayi irakora pe.
Good morning, Horace.
Mize neza muzi bari bazi ko kanseri igiye kwicagarutsa ari muri gerye. Rega kanseri ziravurwa zigake.
Oh, I believe you've all been very busy.
Ndakeka mwese bara mwari muhuze.
Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Reka ndebe niki mugiye kumbwira.
Get started.
Reka inama itangire.
We'll start with you, Roy.
Turahera kuri we Roy.
As you all can see,
Nk'uko mubibona hakurikiriya kuri televiziyo.
these are all of the illegal drugs
Ni ibiyobyabwenge byose bitemewe n'amategeko.
over the last 9
abaganga bapimye basanga mu maraso ya Roy.
specimen in a cup. I was able
wari
to
wanze kuduha inkari zawe kugira ngo bagupime
drug testing with a hair follicle.
ariko byarangiye bakoresheje imisatsi yawe baragupima.
We're all sure by the standards of any physician
abaganga badupimye b'abahanga basanga ufite ibiyobyabwenge byinshi ndetse warakoronijwe n'ibiyobyabwenge Roy.
you